In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the bulk edit feature in ActiveCampaign to edit multiple contacts at once. And this is, for example, handy if you want to add a tag to multiple contacts, or if you maybe want to add multiple contacts to an automation. So let's just dive right in and then I'll explain how it works. So the first thing you need to do is you go over to your contacts, and then over here you'll find a complete list of all your contacts, no matter if they are subscribed or unsubscribed. So if you just want to edit everyone, then over here you click just edit all, and then over here it says bulk editing 6 contacts, because over here we have 6 contacts. And then you can do all these actions. You can, for example, say, okay, I want to add these people to a list, I want to unsubscribe them from a list, I want to add them to an automation, or remove them from an automation, I want to add a tag, remove a tag, or update a field. So this is really super duper handy. So imagine I have maybe an automation, an evergreen newsletter, and I want to take everyone out of it because maybe I'm going to use another automation for that. So then I could just click here, remove from an automation, evergreen newsletter, remove. And then if you want, you can also do a second action, a third action. You can also do multiple at once, really handy. And then over here I click apply. Then it will ask you like, hey, are you really sure you cannot undo these things? And then over here I click apply changes, okay, and then nobody is inside that evergreen newsletter automation anymore. Now, what do you want to do if you only want to edit maybe a few contacts? So obviously it depends a bit on who you want to edit, but what you could, for example, do is you could say over here status, and then here active. So then you get a list of all your active subscribers, so people that are currently actively subscribed to an email list. So everyone who unsubscribed will not show up over here. And then over here you can also click edit all. And then if you want, you can also use tags over here. You could, for example, say, okay, I also only want to get the people that have the tag interest topic email marketing. So then right now you would get a list of the people that are actively subscribed to a list and have the tag interest topic email marketing. Pretty cool, right? So if you want to do simple conditions like this, you can just do it over here. But what you can also do, and what I think is really handy, what I use myself quite often, is if you go over here to search contacts and then click here advanced search, then you can over here create a condition like you would also do inside an automation. So for example, what I could do here is I could say, okay, I want to get everyone who is in the list, main list, and is not in the list, customers, and the tag, for example, right, exists is interest topic email marketing. And you can just keep going here. You can also say not currently in automation, evergreen newsletter. So then right now you would get a list of all your contacts that are currently in the list main list, they're not in the list customers, the tag exists topic email marketing interest, and they're not currently inside the automation evergreen newsletter. So if I click search over here, then you see that we're going to get 2 contacts that match this condition. So pretty cool, right? I know it's pretty simple, but I think this can be really, really handy, especially the advanced feature to also make conditions and sets of conditions to edit multiple contacts at once. And then you just click edit all, and then you can just add tags, remove tags, add them to a list, add them to an automation, all those things. If you want to learn more things like this, then I also created a really cool ActiveCampaign cheat sheet. You can find it in the description below. And if you have any questions about this, just let me know as well in the comments, and then I will be happy to help you out.